yummy fast food, pizza slice, fries, and a cool drink. Hi friends! Welcome back. Are you ready to draw something super delicious and fun?
Little birds sing soft and low through the storm and the wind.
Let's start by sketching all the shapes slowly. First, the pizza slice, then the drink, and finally, the
In the
fries.
sunlight that hides behind gray, hum the tune the grown-ups say. Close your eyes, breathe the night. Smile, little birds, everything's alright. Sing, little birds, your song is so fine. It warms the hearts that are not kind. One last note, one final rhyme. Then sleep, little birds, for all of time.
What color will you use for the pizza topping? Red, yellow, or orange? Think it in your head. Red, yellow, or orange? Take your time and enjoy learning. Art is fun. See how bold lines make our drawing look amazing? Say it with me. I am a super artist. I am a super artist. Coloring is not just fun. It also helps you practice, focus, and creativity. Which one is your favorite? The pizza slice, the fries, or the cool drink? You can pick just one. and I can't wait to draw with you again. Trying this yummy food, don't forget to tap that subscribe button and join our fun art adventures. And here comes the magic. Look, our pizza, fries, and drink are dancing and having fun together. Bye!